Alright guys, in this video I'm replacing the hood struts on my new BMW project, so let's pop the hood. So when I bought this car, the hood struts were completely shot, and as you can see, if I try to let it go, it will just fall back and hurt someone. So we're going to be replacing these two pieces with some nice aftermarket hood struts, and I'll post a link down below. So I'm going to get started by actually taking these things off. We're going to need a flathead screwdriver to pop this piece off and then remove this, and we're going to do the same thing for the bottom. So this is going to be a really simple job. I think we could get away with just one flathead, so let me grab that. Well, the whole thing just came off. I don't know if that's good or bad. And there we go. So it actually just slid up. I don't know if you guys saw that or not. And then it comes off of this little knuckle. Same thing on the bottom. And I don't know if these are original hood struts or not. They might be aftermarket on this car. Like I said, I don't really know the history of this thing. So these might be a little bit different than what you're seeing on your car. But they come off pretty easily. So retainer clips and then just wiggle the thing off. So that's one of them. I'm going to put it here and let me show you what the replacement strut looks like. So here we are, premium bonnet hood lift, two-piece set, made in China. And again, I'll post the Amazon link down below for you guys. And we're just going to place them the exact same orientation. So the actual strut will be on top, and then on the bottom we'll have the kind of thinner part of it. And these look identical to the other ones. So what I'm doing here is I'm not going to actually take this thing off. I'm just going to pry up and try to get one side at least of these pins opened. And let me see if I can just try to snap this into place. Yep, there we go. So it's a little bit stiff, but you could see that it just snapped into place. And I don't even have to push this down because it's locked in there. So same thing on this side. The only issue is this is turned around. So we're just going to rotate this. It's already bruised up from me trying a little too hard with my flathead screwdriver. But we're getting there. So I'm going to try to slide this forward just to give us a little bit more space. And then I'm going to push hard on this hood so that we get the right angle. There we go. I think it just went in, and yeah, that's on there. So you don't have to take off that retainer ring. You just kind of have to pry it up out maybe ½ a centimeter and then just push the hood back and it locks into place. Let's quickly do the other side. And that is easy, done. Now the top, we're just going to rotate the whole thing over, hopefully. There we go. And same thing. So we're going to take this here, push, and we're done. That is clipped on there. And just to make sure, I'll move this down a little ways, but that's on there. That's not going anywhere. They're going to be stiff first couple of times, but they should drop and close just like that. Look at that. It stays up now. So project number 1 on the Project E90 was a success. Very easy to use, and these parts are only about $20 on Amazon. So thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for more. We're going to do the rear struts next.